Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Nita Beauty come back at you. I just wanted to do a pretty quick unboxing here. I have another item to show you guys, and I talked about this in my last video. It just arrived, well, it arrived yesterday, January 20th. Today is the 21st, and I was at work all day, so I am just now getting to it. Actually, I just got home, so I wanted to go ahead and do this before I kind of relaxed and get my other things here. So here she is. I was trying to, I always like to, sometimes I don't actually include this part, but I always kind of record my unboxings just in case something happens. The item isn't what it's described as, or I actually had one incident, I mentioned this in my last video, with Fashionphile. I purchased, it was like a mini, what was it? It was a mini bag, and the tag, Lady Dior, and the tag wasn't attached like the return tag. So if you all, I'm gonna show you this on this bag, but when you buy up anything from Fashionphile, they'll attach their tag to it, and if you take off that tag, once you take that off, then you own the bag. You can't return it. At least you can't return it for the price you paid, right? You get 30 days to return. So when it arrived, I had opened it up, and I was actually recording it, fortunately, and it was not attached. Like, it was, that's how it arrived to me. Like, it was like, I don't know, it just wasn't attached. And so the person, when I contacted them, they were like, actually wanting to see the video. So I sent it to her. At least I tried to send it to them. It wasn't able to upload, and I didn't want to give them my YouTube address for that. But it worked out. They gave me the money back, and it wasn't a big deal. At any rate, so this is a Fashionphile purchase, as you can see. And this is what it looks like. And I showed you guys in the last unboxing that Fashionphile has included a calendar. I don't know if they, maybe this time of year, they always include calendars. This is the first time actually the second time, last unboxing, they included a calendar. And so now I have two. So that's actually kind of cool. The pictures in there are really nice. And so here is the item. And this is an item I tried to purchase. I have been looking at this bag since, I want to say 2018, when it was first introduced. This particular bag was a new style for 2018, I believe. And I was, anxiously waiting for it to come out, and then it finally came out, and I just wasn't ready to pull the trigger. I didn't know anything about this brand, and I was kind of afraid to buy something from this brand, at least full price. So I'm glad that I waited, because the prices came down so much, and I was really surprised that this brand or this style wasn't a popular style. So this is, let me just open it up. This is from Chloe. I mean, from my thumbnail, you can see what it is. And I remember seeing the pictures of this bag and just the promo pictures and just thinking it was so pretty. All right, so here is the bag. So this is the Chloe Aby in the medium size with this beautiful lock. And this is the tag I was talking about. It has to stay attached until you're ready to keep it. But this is it. And this was listed in excellent condition. And it does have some type of imprint on the back, but literally no one's going to see it. But they did show that in the photo, so I was fine with that. The retail price of this bag was, I believe, $2,400, $2,390 or something like that. And I got this from Fashionphile for, I believe it was $765. I had purchased one from them and at the end of 2019, just because I wanted to see it up close in person, and it wasn't the color I wanted, but I wanted to make sure that I was, in pursuit of the right item for me. And so at that time, the one that arrived was a navy blue one, or like a kind of it wasn't really a dark blue, but it was a blue. Didn't care that much for the color, but it was still pretty pricey. I think it was still like 1,500 or something like that. And so here's the receipt. And let me just double check the price. Yeah, so they had it listed for 1,095, but then they had a 20% discount. Fashionphile works, the longer it's on their site and doesn't sell, then they, reduce the price all the way down to, I think the most they'll reduce it on the site too is 30%. And then I think I heard they start selling it on eBay after that for even a more bigger discount. At any rate, so I ended up paying $765, and then with taxes and shipping, it came to $826. Not I didn't have to pay shipping, but with taxes, it came to $826.20. So this is her, and I really like this. Like I said, I've been kind of this is the sepia color, SEPIA. It's a little bit more, I would say, orangey than I thought it would be, but I really like this bag. I like the style. This style is very much a style that I would wear. I will say, I think one of the turnoffs for people with this bag is that it kind of slouches here. So I'm not sure if that's why this bag wasn't a big seller. I'm not sure. When I say a big seller, maybe this is just how Chloe works. Like their price, they just don't hold their value as much. I know it doesn't hold. They don't hold their value as much as Hermes or Louis Vuitton or Chanel. Um, but I don't know. I thought it was just such a pretty bag, and it's kind of like it gives me the boho chic vibe. Um, and this bag, it comes with a combination of hardware. These larger rings are silver, and then everything else is gold. And I wonder. So I guess you have to use the key to unlock this. I don't remember having to do. I know I didn't have to do this when I got the blue one. So let me just see how this works. Okay, so it's a simple unlock, simple setup, and then take the lock off to open this. Oh no, you don't have to do that. Okay, I did. You don't have to do that. You can. This is just decorative, so you don't have to unlock that. I was like, okay, that's gonna be a lot to do. Oop, and I put it on backwards. That's okay. But there's a oh, so the way this latches is like that. So there's like a little hook there. You kind of put it in like that, and it snaps in place. It opens up really easily. And then here is the strap. Okay, so that's interesting. I don't really remember how this strap was attached. Oh, but it is removable. Okay. Because I was like looking at these hooks right here, and I'm like thinking that this is where the longer strap goes, but they have it attached to this here. But if you look, this strap is actually removable. Like if you undo these hooks here, you can take this whole strap off, and if you wanted to, you can put it on the outside hooks. And is the outside hook removable? No, it looks like it would be, but it's not. So you could put like another strap. You can put this strap, or you can put an even wider strap, I guess. I do like wide straps. This one is wide enough for me. I really hate those little spaghetti thin straps, so I'm glad that they didn't do that with this bag. I hate those spaghetti thin straps with any bag, even small bags. I just don't think it's a good look. But yeah, it just says Chloe right there. Made in Italy. It's like a cloth interior. I'm not a big fan of the cloth interiors. I'm just always afraid of stuff getting dirty. It does come with a dust bag. And it does not come with any type of authenticity card. But if you look on the inside pocket, I don't know if you'll be able to see it there. Well, there's their I don't know what you call it, like the code and everything is on this little item here, I think. Okay, so it does flip out. I don't know what this is. Maybe that's just a something for Fashionphile to keep track of their items, because I don't think that's the code for the actual bag. Oh yeah, because this is the actual tag for the bag with the stamping on it with the numbers. And then it does come with a card and the actual tag. And so this is what this one looks like, the actual numbers. It's called Sepia Brown shoulder bag. And then I have another Chloe bag, and it does have authenticity card, but it's not like, you know, it doesn't have like a date code or anything like that on there. It just has the card, and then on the back side, I guess if you wanted to, you can write the code in. I don't even know. But it's certainly not the same, on the same lines as like a Chanel. So, but that's okay. Yeah, so it has this pocket in the middle. It has like a small slip pocket on the back side, and then it has just two big open slots in the back and in the front. The only thing I wish this bag did have, I wish it had like a back pocket. I love a bag with a back pocket just so I can easily, quickly just slip my phone in there. The bag of the day for me, the one that I was carrying yesterday, is my new Chanel Boy in the Medium, the new Medium. I am in love with this leather. It feels amazing. It's so soft. I'm definitely going to do a comparison of this bag with my Coach, the Swagger shoulder bag, because honestly, these two bags really do compare quite a bit in terms of the style, functionality, as well as the feeling of the leather. I'll be honest, you know, Chanel's leather does feel a lot smoother, a lot softer, but the Coach is doing its thing. It really is. At any rate, so let me take out my stuff and put it in this bag. Again, I have been stalking this bag it's been 2 years now, because it was at the end of 2018, I believe, that I saw that it was coming out, because they had it in their like fashion show or something. Like you can see like it was like a photo fashion show, and I would get Purse blog updates, and that's where I saw it, and I was just in love. It was just so pretty. All right, so I'm just gonna switch out what I have. So I have like some little lotion, throw that in there. I have my earbuds, and I have my little Coach card case, Louis Vuitton clay, and I just have some more cards in here right now. I have a Prada 6-key holder. I did like a kind of a comparison between my 6-key holders, and so this is one of them, and I've had this one for several years, and so I'm going to start using that one. I kind of rotate them out here and there, and then I have my mini pochette. I'm going to go ahead and put my earbuds. I don't know if it'll fit me. Well, I can fit them in there if I move that. So that was my chapstick, or my lip gloss that I moved, and then just throw this in here. And there is still plenty of room. I have some mail. I want to mail. So that is that one. And I still, like I said, have plenty of room in here. Like, so much room. This is a great bag. I'm in love. And for literally a quarter the price, I think it broke down to being 33% or a third of the price. Almost a third of the price. A little more than a third of the price. But this is gorgeous. Let me put this lock on here the right way. This is so cute. Maybe people think it's a heavy bag. I mean, I guess it is kind of a heavy bag, but let me move this back a little bit. And for reference, I'm like 5'3", size 14. Let's see. And I like that the handle kind of folds down, so you can fold it inside or out. A little bit more, sorry. But yeah, super cute, and you can wear it crossbody. And the strap length is adjustable too, so you can move that around depending on your height and how you like your bags to sit. This is a good height for me, and you can easily kind of get in and out of this bag. Yeah, I'm keeping this for sure, for sure, for sure. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know, comment, subscribe, like, please. Let me know if there's something else you all want to see on my channel. But there's another video you want to see. But yeah, so this is my new bag. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.